So this is the Google Earth, which we show the eastern salt range where is the Cambrian strata are exposed. So I open the map. So this is the salt range of the eastern salt range, and we see the Precambrian and the Cambrian, and then go to the Cambrian strata, and on the top of the Cambrian we have the Paleocene strata. So no Mesozoic to Cenozoic strata. So I open the Keura. So this is the Keura Gorge. So firstly, this is the salt range formation. This red is the salt range formation, and we have the Keura sandstone on the top of the salt range formation of the Precambrian salt. uh, we see the contact of the salt with the Keura sandstone, and the upper Hosak formation we have the unconfirmable contact, and we also see the ball and palo, the low structure of the Keura sandstone, which are deposited at the lower part of the delta plain settle. And the top there is the massive sandstone, in which we see the trough crossbed and crossbed. This again bar in palo structure, and this is the uh, outcrop view of the Keura sandstone, in which we see the channelized bedding, which represent the delta plane. And the top of the delta plane we have represent the delta front setting of the massive sandstone, and in between we have the crevices play. So this is the Cambrian strata of the Keura sandstone. When we further move to the younger strata of the Cambrian to the north direction, we see the Hosak formation. Hosak formation is the glauconitic sandstone of the marine environment. So we have the trilobite, we have the brachiopods. This is the contact, this is the warm burrows, this is the field outcrop, and this is also the burrows which are represent the Hosak formation. And when we further move to up, so this is the delta setting, this is the marine setting. So sea level rise, and this is the maximum flooding surface. When we go to the Jutana, which is the regression, so in between the Hosak and Jutana is the sea level rise, maximum sea level, which is known as the MFS boundary. So now the sea level is the in the regressive phase, which is the intertidal setting of the Jutana dolomite. So we see the is the marine, and then the sea level fall of the intertidal setting, and in between we have see the maximum surface contact between the Hosak and Jutana. This is the intertidal. Why? Because the algal lamination are present in this Jutana dolomite. This is the field outcrop of the primary dolomite. This is the also primary dolomite. We see the thin section analysis, we see the ostrocode present, which is also represent the intertidal setting. So at the last we have the Cambrian later stage of the Cambrian strata. We have represent the Bagawala formation. So Bagawala formation is the field outcrop, their contact with the Permian strata. So there is the large mass extension occur of the Carboniferous to Ordovician. So contact with the Tobra formation of the Permian. We see the salt sudumar, which is the remnant of the salt crystal, which represent the supratidal environment. So Jutana and then supratidal. So again sea level fall, and the in this Bagawar formation, the top we have see the sequence boundary of the upper Indus Basin, first sequence boundary, and the top they have Tobra formation and then sea level rise. So on the top of the Bagawara formation we have see the first sequence boundary. We have the flazer bedding, we have the lenticular bedding, which is the also represent the supratidal environment. So this is the Keura Gorge, which is the ideal place for the Cambrian strata study. So we have the salt range formation of the Precambrian, we have the Cambrian, we have the Cambrian, and then we directly go to the Paleocene rock. So in between the Mesozoic and Paleozoic, Mesozoic and the Cenozoic strata are missing because of the eastern Salt Range. In the eastern Salt Range is, you know, the deposition of the Jhelum group or Cambrian strata deposit, and this part is the elevated place. But during the Mesozoic to Cenozoic strata, the western Salt Range is uplifted and the eastern Salt Range are subduct. So mostly we found the in this area the Mesozoic and Cenozoic stratigraphy or sedimentology.